Hello guys, welcome to Tech Helpline. Today you will learn how to recover your Netflix account. So all you need to do is head towards your browser and then type netflix.com/login help and then press enter. Now you will see something like this and you have to click on I don't remember my email or phone. Now fill out your name, your last name, and your credit or debit card number on file. And then when you click on find account, this is how you're gonna get your chance to find your account and then recover your account. So this is it. This is how you recover your Netflix account.